Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, and I'm your sir, brother, trader, friend Avilash, the trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. Keep in mind, today we have a big day. Why? NFP, the horror story for the traders, is today. If I take you to the economic calendar here, you can see that less than 7 hours, 6 hours 51 minutes left for NFP. And as we all know, market gets crazy, market gets volatile, so be careful. And new traders, beginners, it's time to protect your hard-earned money and capital. So if possible, try to avoid. Already market is full on crazy mode. So this is the chart of Euro USD. First of all, I would like to say one thing, my dear friends. Those who have a buy position on Euro USD, those who are thinking that or kitna hi niche jayega, those are thinking that no, Euro USD will bounce from here. Okay, how far it will go down? No, my dear friends, try to understand. This is a news-driven market. War is going on between Russia and Ukraine. As a result, the market is fundamentally weak. The chart is Euro USD is fundamentally weak. As a result, we are seeing lows on the chart of Euro USD. That's it. If you're thinking that it should be reversing from here, keep in mind whenever there's a battle between fundamentals and technicals, fundamental always win. So as a result, do not assume from your side that market should be reversing from here. No, my dear friend, no, mind, do not make the mistake with your hard-earned money. Okay. So considering the technicals, considering the fundamentals, taking a sell position is the best thing to do on the chart of Euro USD. Why? Because fundamentally also Euro USD is pointing towards the downside, and technically also we can see that the trend of the market is very much towards the downside. And as we all know, whether you trade on stock market, forex market, commodity market, doesn't matter. Market has only one rule, and the only rule is follow the trend. And the trend is very much towards the downside. So as a result, it is best and also the safest to look for selling positions only. If you're a scalper, if you have been trading for a considerable period of time, then you can look for buy positions. Otherwise, those who have been trading for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, okay, please try to look for sell positions only. I'm just telling for your safety purpose only. So first of all, I would like to talk about a level of 1.1010. This level, or let's say 1.1000. This is the low made by the market yesterday. Okay, this is a low made by the market yesterday. After that, market tried to bounce. Okay, but if market breaks the level again, if we see that there is sudden selling pressure again in the market, market has crossed this level, then definitely there will be a fresh selling in the market, and you can take a sell position for a target of 0.0930. Okay, you can take a sell position for a target of 0.0930. Clear? Because this market is very much weak right now. Okay, and on the other hand, if market tries to go up, if you see that there is some sort of recovery, yes, again I'll say, if you have been trading for last couple of years, if you have the experience, you can go for buy. Okay, but keep in mind, new traders, okay, you will get another selling opportunity around the trend line, because you can see that the trend line has been acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. And moreover, we also have the 20 moving average, 50 moving average, so multiple resistances are there. बहुत सारे पड़ाव है उसको. So it will be very difficult for Euro USD to go up that easily. So if market goes up also, there is a good chance, good possibility of market facing selling pressure. Okay, there is a high chance of market selling pressure around 1.1100 level. If market goes up and reverses, you can also take a sell position. So sell on rise. Okay, sell on rise is the best opportunity for us on the chart of Euro USD. But if market gives us fresh selling below this level, then also we can take a sell position. So my dear friends, considering the present trend of the market, I'll just recommend us selling opportunities only. Okay, and as I said, NFP is coming up, so we don't know what will be the news, and there will be obviously some volatility in the market. So if you want to trade, you can trade, but keep in mind market is very volatile. Please use proper risk management, because during the news any good setup may fail. It's your duty to protect your money. And if we look at the chart of DXY here, then we can see that there is a fresh breakout on DXY. As we all know, this is a news driven market, news sensitive market. So things are out of control for gold, DXY and the PY. So be careful. Okay. So let's see how the market reacts during the NFP. But overall, DXY is very much bullish. Euro USD is very much bearish. So take your decision wisely and please follow strict risk management. Okay, bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.